Alright, so I messed around and didn't do anything all day, but I did go to Harbor Freight and get a new jack because some jackass stole my last one. So this one is super nice. It was pretty expensive. I mainly got it because the max lift is 24.5, and that makes things a lot nicer when you can jack the car up pretty high. I mean, it's like 2 feet. So let's open it up. We got the owner's manual. Holy shit. This thing is huge and it weighs a ton. It's pretty nice. It's got this little foot thing here. That's pretty cool. Super heavy. Looks like it's really durable. I'm pretty happy with it. Alright, and now here we have a bunch of boxes from Rock Auto. These are all parts for my daughter's 2004 Honda Element that we will be working on tomorrow. So let's get them open. We have 2 cans of brake fluid. We got a Wix oil filter. We have an engine mount. It's on the transmission side. All right, we got some oil. We got our new magnet. We got our ignition switch. Front and rear brake pads. Then we have our rotors. I think these are the rear and these are the front. I don't know, it might be the other way around. And they gave us another magnet. Sweet. So here's the Honda Element. When you go to start it, it makes that buzzing sound. It starts sometimes it don't. I think eventually it'll probably stop, but that's the ignition switch. There's also a engine light, and that is the NOx sensor. She has the NOx sensor somewhere in the car. I'm just gonna have to dig around and find it. Then there's one more thing that's very common, is the hood release latch is broke. I have a replacement for that. It is a metal one. It's pretty nice. I'll show a picture of it right now. It's a 2004 with 266,000 miles. And she's never had any major problems with it. She did run into a truck, which caused this. This is kind of pushed up. When you open the door, it hits this. But overall, the car's in really good shape. She did get rear-ended right here, but you know, no big deal. That's just a plastic piece. It didn't hurt it inside. And sometimes the passenger door side, it won't open. But it doesn't happen very often. And it seems like it only happens during the winter months. So maybe we'll try to take a look at that. Grease something up. It doesn't have the sunroof, but the sunroof in these aren't power, and it sits back here above the back seats, and I just feel like it's useless. But it's pretty nice how the seats will fold up and fold up over here, and then you have a huge cargo area. So in the second part of this video, which will be tomorrow, we're going to start working on it. I'm just going to buzz over the brake job just because I've already done this video before, so. Alright, we got the front driver's side done. So I had to pull the piston out of the caliper because I could not get it to compress. There's all kinds of rust in there. Let me try to clean that out. The boot seems to be okay. It's a little disfigured, but I think it'll be fine. The piston has some surface rust, so I'm going to try to sand that down a little bit. Alright, that should be good. Let's get this rubber boot back in there. Alright, we got her in there. Hopefully that'll be okay. Looks like the rubber seal is pretty good. Alright, we got her on there. We just need to bleed her real good and that should be done. Now let's do the other side. We got a slide pin that's stuck. That's probably why this one has brake pad left and this one has nothing. Let's try to get the slide pin out. Well, that didn't work out. I think I'm gonna have to get a new bracket and slide pins. We're gonna have to look that up. All right, so I was gonna just buy a whole new caliber, but they didn't have one. So I bought the rebuild kit, which includes a bunch of stuff. I don't know what all these things are for. The only one I really need is this one. The rest of them, I don't have a clue what they're even for. I think this goes on my brain's not working right now. I think this piece goes on the rotor. The rest of them, I don't know. Let's see if we can get this in there. Hopefully that'll pop into there. I don't know. I'm guessing this probably should go in there first, but who knows? Oh, I see. There's a that's what that's for. This is down in there. I've never rebuilt a caliber before. I normally just replace them. Alright, well that looks alright, I guess. Now we have the new bracket. I got slide pins and boots. Alright, hopefully that'll work out. This has been a huge pain in the ass. Alright, let's go get this installed. Alright, and we're done. We just need to bleed the brakes and that's it.